Welcome to our channel. Downloading HBO Max content offline lets you watch your favorite shows anywhere without internet. Here's how. Step 1. Open HBO Max app on your mobile device. Downloads aren't available on web browsers. Step 2. Ensure you have the ad-free plan. The ad-supported plan doesn't include download features. Step 3. Find content marked with the download icon. Not all titles are available for download. Step 4. Tap the download icon next to the episode or movie you want to save offline. Step 5. Choose your download quality. Higher quality provides better viewing, but uses more storage. Step 6. Wait for download to complete. You can monitor progress in the downloads section. Step 7. Access downloads from the profile icon, then downloads. Content remains available for 30 days. Step 8. Start watching downloaded content. Once started, complete viewing within 48 hours. Step 9. Delete watch downloads to free space. Swipe left on titles and tap delete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.